In the holy lands of southern France, we welcome you to our Goddess Awakening Retreat. Held within a sacred space of a beautiful hillside villa overlooking the healing aquamarine waters of the Côte d'Azur. Ceremonies, meditations, channelings, workshops, and a delicious chakra awakening detox menu, alongside 2 magical pilgrimages to channel the celestial energies of Mary Magdalene and other goddesses. Guided by Ella Montclair and Stephanie Marketant on this deeply transformational journey to unlock the limitless goddess within you.